guys, welcome to Easy Nails. Today we are going to create a sparkly pink and milky white ombre short nail acrylic set. So I am starting off with my nails prepped and primed, and I have on Nail Harmony nail forms, and I'm going in with a small bead of Milky White by Nail Supply Glamour and my Hema Free Glitterbells by Annabel Monomer. And I basically just applied the first bead right where the nail form and the natural nail meet, and pressed and pulled it up, tapered in those sides, and I'm creating a short coffin nail today. And I am adding on more of that milky white, almost to fill up the whole nail bed, but not completely. And I'm using my Artisan Pro number 8 brush. I really like these Nail Harmony nail forms. They work really great. They're nice and sturdy. So here you guys can see I took that sticky tab, stuck it in the back of the nail form, tore open the opposite side, and I'm fitting it snug right underneath my free edge. And then I am sticking it down the sides. And I'm going in with a medium bead of the milky white, and I am patting that towards the free edge, patting and pulling, really using the barrel of my brush to do that. And then I tapered in the sides and made sure that the tip was square. Again, you guys, we are doing a super easy ombre nail look today with acrylic. We're going to get short nails, and we are going to ombre with milky white and this beautiful sparkly pink color. This is a sparkly coral orange color, and it is Fire Opal by Glitterbells by Annabel. Again, you guys, to apply these nail forms, I am just attaching the 2 tabs in the back, and then I am sliding it onto my finger, tucking it behind the free edge. Then once it's right behind that free edge, just stick it right onto your nail. And again, you guys, same process, medium to wet bead, and pulling that out, tapering in the sides, and squaring off the tip to create a short coffin nail. Same thing, you guys, so I take that sticker, stick it in the back of the nail form, and then I'm going to take the 2 tabs, stick them together, make sure that they're even. The tabs, you want to make sure that they're even. That's going to make your nail form straight. And then I just tuck it right behind the free edge of my nail, and then stick it on to the nail, the rest of the nail form. I hope that makes sense, you guys. Nail forms are a bit tricky to learn, but I find it is easier to learn by watching. So I hope this helped you guys. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below, and I would love it if you guys subscribe to my channel. I give you tons of nail tips and tricks and affordable hacks to get beautiful, easy nails at home. And then I'm going to go in here with the bead of that Fire Opal color. It is a beautiful corally shimmer color, and it is pretty opaque here, but it works really nice for ombreing. I absolutely love this coral shimmer color. Again, the color is Fire Opal, Glitterbells by Annabel. And as always, you guys, everything I use will be linked down below. And you guys, if your fade is not perfect, take in a really small bead like I just did there of your acrylic, and that really helps with ombreing, you guys. So don't be afraid to layer it up there with really small wet beads of acrylic. I find that this is a really easy way to ombre your nails. And I really like that this gave a shimmer effect to that milky white. Here we are going in with these beautiful nail flakes. This is called Rainbow Bouquet by Glitter Planet UK. And as always, you guys, I will leave the names for everything down below. So I just took a little bit of clear acrylic, and then I am putting this Rainbow Bouquet. These are little iridescent hexagons, and I am placing them right into that wet glitter, that wet acrylic, the wet clear acrylic, using the clear acrylic as a glue. And then I'm just picking up this glitter with my brush. And I decided here to go in with a fine glitter. I believe this glitter was called Mike from Glitter Planet UK. But I will link the exact name below for you guys. So I just went over that Rainbow Bouquet with a fine pink glitter. And here I'm clear capping my nails. I am using ezflow trudip powder in clear. And I'm clear capping my nails, you guys, here in 3 balls. The first ball I use almost at the tip of the nail and then fade it out towards the tip. So about a little bit higher than the middle of the nail. Then the second bead I do right below that. Then the third bead I do right by the cuticle area. And I find that this builds me a really, really nice apex and structure to the nail every single time. So I really like clear capping like this. It helps me a lot with my structure. And structure is super important, you guys, because we want to make sure that our nails last us long and strong and we don't have any breaks. So I'm just continuing this process throughout the nails. And the nails here, you guys, are almost dry. So I'm just giving them a little tiny pinch just to get that C curve really, really sharp. Okay, so these forms are ready to come off. You will know when your acrylic is dry, you guys, when you tap against it with your nail or with your nail brush and you're going to hear a little clicking noise. That's how you know when your acrylic is all set and ready to be filed. I am going in with the 180 grit hand file here at a 45-degree angle to get that coffin look. So 45 degrees and then 90 degrees right on the tip there to square it off. And you really want to make sure you tuck back your skin here so you will not cut yourself or your client. So 45 degrees both sides. This is just going to taper in those sides and get our coffin shape. And then 90 degrees right along that free edge. Here you guys with our e-file and a 180 grit sanding band, doing the same thing, just sharpening up those sides. I think that filing is going to make the end result super, super perfect for you guys. So don't fuss if your application is not perfect. Just spend the majority of your time on filing and you guys will get those absolute gorgeous salon quality nails at home. Here I'm sealing in the cuticle, basically just going back and forth around the cuticle area. This is going to prevent lifting, any lifting that you guys may have. This is a super important step to do. Going to do that for all the nails. You want to make sure that you have your cuticle and then your natural nail and then your product. And you don't want a huge gap in between those guys, just want them really, really close to each other, and that's going to help a lot with lifting. Here I'm going in with my 5-in-1 drill bit. This is in medium. This drill bit is super helpful, you guys, for sealing in the cuticles and also for shaping acrylic nails. I highly suggest it. It gets the shape absolutely flawless. So this is a 5-in-1 medium drill bit, and I will link it down below for you guys. Basically, I am just going around the nail, up and down the nail, and moving my hands from side to side to make sure I get that curvature of the nail. And then I'm going back and forth from side to side of the nail, from the bottom to the top, and then moving up and down the nail to debulk any excess acrylic. And this is going to leave our shape perfect. And I know I haven't mentioned this, you guys, before, but I will also link the dust collector that I use. Please, please, please get a dust collector. This one is really affordable. I want to say it was about $40 or $50 on Amazon. You do not have to get those dust collectors that are a couple $100. But please do your lungs a favor and get yourself a dust collector. You do not want that dust inside your lungs, and please wear a mask when doing this, you guys. It's really important now, as always, but especially now, to make sure we take care of our health. So again, I'm just going up and down the entirety of the nail, just debulking any excess and making sure that that shape is on point. And again, you guys, I do spend a lot of time styling because I find that this is what makes your nails look absolutely gorgeous and flawless in the end. This is a really, really important step, and I know it takes a while, you guys, but seriously, this totally affects the final look of your nails, and it's totally worth it in the end when your nails are on point and absolutely flawless. Okay, you guys, so I finished with the e-file. Here I'm going in again with the hand file, and I am further perfecting that shape. We're going really in depth into shaping, you guys. I hope this helps you to learn how to shape your nails. Holding the nail file at a 45-degree angle, you guys, you are going to want to go up and down the sides of your nails. This is going to taper in your side walls. And then holding the file at a 90-degree angle, going back and forth, this is going to get your tips squared off. Okay, you guys, so after this filing, you want to make sure that you wash your hands, or tell your client to go wash their hands. Or I like to use a manicure brush and rubbing alcohol. Really, really scrub in there, get all your dust off your nails. Then I'm going to go in with my aimeili No White top coat, and I'm going to apply a nice thick coat to the nails, as we are going to apply some nail crystals. So these nail crystals, you guys, are super fun pastel iridescent little nail crystals here. Love them. There are tons of fun bright colors in here. So we are going to use these pink ones, and I'm applying this right into the No White top coat that has not been cured. And as always, I'm using my Rhinestone picker upper tool from Amazon. And I'm just using this to apply it onto the nail. Then I'm going to go in with these little mini pearls. These are also in really fun pastel colors. And I'm taking the green pearls here and just placing them on the nail in my desired design shape. So now you guys, I'm going in with these little bullion beads. These are silver bullion beads, and I believe that's how they're called, the little micro beads. I got these from Nail Supply Glamour, and I will link them down below for you guys. So I'm just adding these onto the nail, and I'm using the cuticle picker upper tool, the back of it, to move them around the nail. And I just sped through this for you guys, so enjoy. Here, these other stones I'm using are a little imitation Swarovski Pixie crystals that I got off of Amazon. I really like them. They're super teeny tiny AB crystals, and they're really beautiful on the nail. And I am applying those with the micro beads and silver onto the ring finger here. And I am just finishing up the design here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really love these pink ombre sparkly nails. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time.